to switch around here and go north for a minute. Oh, it's beautiful. Got a good zoom. Dude, we're gonna hit hard. Let's go here.